India's most loved handwritten notes.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are not ready for this.
Is back with its fully revised edition, Pulse 3.0 handwritten notes with a smart framework. We are giving you Syllabus Tracker. One-pager notes on the most probable topics. Treasure box. Topic-wise PYQ. 230 plus hours of targeted video lectures by the best UPSC faculty. So, what are you waiting for? Go for Pulse if you want to score 120 plus marks in the prelims examination.
Get ready!